Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Peak TV. I'm pleased to have with me today Chris Sutherland, Chair of Remsense Technology. Ticker is ASX REM. Chris, thanks for joining us today. Tell us a bit about Remsense.
Yeah, thanks, Ali. I'm pleased to have the opportunity to tell you about the company and its core product, Virtual Plant. A virtual plant, it's a photographic asset visualization tool, a real digital twin, if you like, that enables assets to be viewed remotely, anywhere, anytime, and on any device. About 2 years ago, I accepted to become chair of this company as I was impressed with both the simplicity and power of Virtual Plant. Having run program maintenance, a $3 billion staffing and maintenance company for more than 12 years, I've been involved in the operations and maintenance of many assets across the resources and infrastructure sectors. And I immediately saw the potential and value this solution could deliver if introduced to many of these large mining, oil and gas and utility companies. First developed for Woodside, who continue to use Virtual Plant as a software as a service agreement relationship. It can integrate with your business ERP systems such as IBM or SAP, supporting ongoing monitoring, operational control, induction, training, planning, maintenance, and shutdowns for all your staff, contractors, and even suppliers. Last year in 2022, we completed the purchase of the remaining background IP from Woodside, and we now own 100% of the intellectual property attached to Virtual Plant. We completed the development of Virtual Plant to become a fully certified enterprise-grade solution with some analytic capabilities. We refreshed our marketing strategy to give greater focus on strategic partnerships with some of the global asset management software companies such as IBM and SAP. And we developed some new features to extend the product further than originally planned in that time period. Now, I know that this has taken more time and a bit more capital than our original plan. However, we're confident now that the work done to date has positioned the company in a better and a stronger position going forward. For instance, in the past few months, Remsense has secured a second global resources company as a customer, and we're now undertaking significant imaging scanning work for Chevron Australia's LNG facilities. And we continue to present Virtual Plant to a range of major industrial, mining, resource-based potential customers.
Great summary, Chris. Now, some really good clients in there, but what I really want to talk about is the recent research report put out by Pitt Street Research. Now, this report highlights a multi-billion-dollar market opportunity for Remsense, but also puts a very lucrative valuation on the stock, which is more than 3 times of what the stock is currently at. Give us your thoughts.
Well, we certainly see a very large market. Nearly all industrial companies with distributed assets are investing heavily in the digitalisation of those assets to improve safety, efficiency, and operational control. We think our solution is very complementary to the point cloud engineering type solutions that are also available in the market. So we think they can go work hand in hand. And of course, this is all being accelerated, we think, with the hybrid working kind of from home model that many organisations are now developing. The ability for any person to visually see a pump or a valve and understand the location and access requirements, or would be one click away from seeing the maintenance records or technical specifications without actually knowing the name of the asset or actually being there, makes Virtual Plant readily usable by 95% of the organisation that aren't the actual technical experts. This really is a product for everyone in an organisation.
Chris, now's the time for an elevator pitch. What can we expect from Remsense over the next 12 months?
We have a number of significant opportunities in our sales pipeline. It's important to note that to install Virtual Plant, it's often an enterprise-wide decision. So it is generally a 12-month process to bring a customer on board from a first introduction. I think we're in a far better place to secure our next sale opportunities than 1 year ago, as we've got a software product that now has 2 very large global energy companies as reference sites. We've got a software product that is built enterprise grade and will scale globally. And we have a total expanding marketplace that is sized at billions of dollars. And we only need a very small share, i.e. just a few $1 million that will see us profitable. So I remain excited by the opportunity to build Remsense into a sustainably profitable and globally significant software company.
Well put, Chris. Thanks for joining us today.
Yeah, thanks for speaking with us today, Ali.